Imagine leveraging the latest advancements in video animation, artificial intelligence, and powerhouse multilingual video technologies to attract more customers, sales, and leads without any experience, fancy equipment, or even the need for you to be on camera yourself. Avatar Builder puts true power of next-generation, industry-leading features and technologies not available in any other app at your fingertips for faster, superior, and impressive videos that stand out from the crowd and turn your prospects into paying customers. For the first time ever, you can now customize and design your own virtual talking 3D avatars within seconds and wow your audiences like never before. Select from our wide variety of 3D avatars built into the app and customize everything from head to toe using the revolutionary first-of-its-kind visual avatar builder technology. Custom make your own 3D avatar for any marketing goal to convey your message to the masses and grow your brand in a fun and engaging way. You have total control over the customization process. Change the colors and look of clothing, hair, skin, accessories, and select from a wide variety of props like eyeglasses, shoes, watches, vests, and more for unlimited design possibilities. Get the avatars to speak anything you want in any language that you choose with award-winning text-to-speech in hundreds of natural-sounding male and female voices in all the popular languages and accents. Record your own voice into the app in any language and have the avatar speak it with perfect lip sync. Convert any audio or video into text and translate it into any language with our powerful instantaneous speech-to-text transcription engine, and there's a lot more. Avatar Builder also gives you all the multilingual capabilities to convert your existing voice and audio assets into a different language and build beautiful videos to target global audiences. And now get ready for one of the most powerful features. Our artificial intelligence-backed smart scene creator technology that automatically transforms any text into stunning, attention-grabbing video slides with dazzling text effects, animations, and backgrounds within seconds. The rapidly improving machine learning and artificial intelligence engine built into the app makes it easy for you to create mesmerizing videos at supersonic speed without any design skills or experience. Create the perfect video every time and keep your prospects glued to the screen till the end by personalizing your videos the way you like. Effortlessly change fonts, animations, backgrounds, and slide transitions to suit your needs with our intuitive, easy-to-use user interface. And the best part? There are no limits. You can create unlimited videos and get unlimited access to everything for a low one-time price on this page. And there's more. Get better results and leave your competition in the dust with hundreds of customizable done-for-you video templates from the hottest niches and industries. Create impressive and engaging videos for any marketing goal, including 3D explainer, animated, educational, e-commerce, social media, YouTube presentations, and sales videos within minutes. Our expert team of animators, designers, and copywriters spend the last 12 months designing the best templates with done-for-you video scripts so you can create videos that get results without shelling out big bucks on multiple video apps or expensive freelancers. Want to make custom videos? No problem. Use our revolutionary Open Canvas video builder to design your own videos in any language from scratch. And with the included commercial license, you can now be able to turn this into a profitable business and sell the videos that you create for top dollar. Step-by-step video training is included. We show you the exact steps on how you can make $100, $500, or even $1,000 for every video that you create inside Avatar Builder. While all the competing apps limit you to short 30-second videos, Avatar Builder gives you the full flexibility to make long-form videos so you can create beautiful presentations without worrying about length limits. There is no other app on the planet that can create mind-blowing animated videos with talking 3D spokespersons and all the customization options available inside Avatar Builder. Your clients and customers will be lining up to pay you top dollar for every video that you create. What you saw so far is just the tip of the iceberg. There are at least 50 other powerful features that you can explore on this page. So be sure to check out the demo video below to discover the true potential of Avatar Builder. Imagine the power of delivering your video messages in multiple languages with a wide variety of animated 3D avatars with all the award-winning features. You simply cannot go wrong. Our goal is to provide you with the best value possible at the lowest price. So, for a very limited time, as an introductory special, we are waiving all the monthly costs. If you wait, the one-time price may expire and this may change to a monthly subscription without notice. To make this super affordable for everyone and earn your trust, we're including all the premium features without any monthly or yearly fees or subscriptions. Put your video marketing on steroids with industry-leading features including customizable talking 3D avatars, natural human-sounding text-to-speech, next-generation logo mapping, breathtaking slide transitions, open canvas custom video builder, speech-to-text transcriptions, countless done-for-you video templates, huge library of copyright-free music tracks, ability to add your own watermarks, millions of royalty-free image and video assets, unlimited HD video renders, and a whole lot more at no additional cost. There are no limits. Create as many videos as you like for yourself and your clients forever. Avatar Builder is hosted on Amazon's world-class cloud servers for ultra-fast video renders on the cloud. You do not need a powerful computer to use the app. Access the app from anywhere on any device. No installation or configuration needed. Log in within seconds and start creating your videos. Customer satisfaction is our #1 priority, so you can get all the future software updates for free. You never have to pay extra for new features we release down the line. Step-by-step video training is included to help you get results fast and start using the app from day one without any learning curve. Avatar Builder is the only all-inclusive video creation tool you will need to get blockbuster results for your business. Don't wait. Click on the button below to unlock the special one-time price before it expires. We are stacking the value and removing all the risk out of the equation with our no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, simply email our friendly support staff within 30 days and get every single penny back. Due to the ongoing server costs and all the premium features packed into Avatar Builder, we can't keep this low one-time price up for long. The special deal on this page may expire at any time. This is time sensitive, so take advantage of the special deal now. You can spend months and thousands of dollars trying to hire animators, copywriters, video editors to create videos, or simply click on the button below to get Avatar Builder right now for a low one-time price without any subscription costs. Click on the button below to grab the special one-time price before it changes to a monthly subscription. I look forward to seeing you on the inside.